It's a window into a lost world. 1,000 years of Jewish history. It's this little space, only 1,500 square feet, but the possibilities are limitless.
Here, it is possible to be in the 15th century Spain. You can be in the Russian Civil War or in China in the 17th century. You can be all over the world in this one little place.
It's intimate and it's cozy, but it's as big as you let it be, as far as you let it take you.
It may be small, but it might just be the biggest small place on Earth. The Learning and Media Center is our new space to host class groups, high school groups, and college groups, groups of any age. It's all about learning with primary source materials, understanding what archives save and why.
We're a huge archive. We have 24 million archival documents, over 400,000 books.
In the archives, it takes years of work and searching to have these moments of discovery. We've taken our years of work and distilled it into a space where you can have that discovery immediately.
And everyone can get something different from it. Whatever you want to do here, you can find a way.
The interactive activities makes history fun. It makes it more accessible.
You are encouraged not only to look, but also to touch, whether it's through pulling a poster out of a drawer or moving the hanging art storage.
We have an interactive poster station pulling from real Yiddish posters from the past.
They can go and search through our interactive map and look up their family's hometowns.
This is the town that my grandfather was born in. That might be the house that he grew up in.
That's the kind of connection that people make. That's what happens here.
So I had the opportunity to bring my Columbia class here. This was really the central experience for my students, I think, of the whole semester, and I hope will become a central experience of their time at Columbia.
It's amazing that moment when you, as an individual, feel that impact with the past. Here, the past is very close.
And that's just invaluable. They see where the hint's from. My students then take that knowledge and go forth with it. They take it into their own school community, they take it into their conversations with their parents and their families, and they take it beyond that.
It's been really meaningful for us to have classes come back again and again. There's so much to learn, there's so much to experience in these rooms. Come, see for yourself. After all, this place is huge in a small way.